So, my dear friends,
You're not my friend.
so most Muslims are claiming today
I
that
don't
civilians.
like-
Please listen, please.
You can't talk to me.
Okay. Most Muslims, please come here. Most Muslims are claiming that civilians are being killed in Gaza. Do you know that according to Islam there is no such thing called a civilian? Do you know this?
What defines a civilian?
No, I'm telling you.
Where is your car?
According to Islam, there is no such thing called a civilian. No such thing. If you are a civilian, you're not a Muslim. Did you know this?
Who is your God?
Excuse me, sir. Listen to
Who is
me.
your God? Why you not listen to me? I listen
No,
to you.
no. About Israel,
No.
we are being fooled today because we are being fooled to think that in Gaza, civilians are being
I
killed.
am not talking. Yes.
Now, both
yes.
practically
Yeah, Israel.
and according to the Quran, there is no such thing called a Muslim civilian. There is no such thing. If you are not fighting for Islam physically,
Sorry, please ask which church you're from.
home church.
Oh, you have a home church in London?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, you know the Lord Jesus Christ?
Absolutely, yeah.
And you're trusting Him alone for
Absolutely.
yourself. I'm a Christian too.
Good to see you.
You keep doing what you're doing, brother. God bless
Absolutely.
you.
God's
and,
blessings.
thank
Good to see you. Good to see you. God's
Good
blessings.
job, well
Yeah,
done.
thank you very much. Thank you, brother. So if a Muslim can come and help me understand who a Muslim civilian is, it'll be marvelous. Hello, sir. Are you Muslims, my dear friends? Are you Muslim, my dear friend? Would you like to come and engage in a conversation? That's fine. Please come. As long as you understand a little bit. Excuse me, don't harass the lady. Please don't harass the lady. Just keep moving. Excuse me, sir. So please. But you understand a little bit? You are Kurd.
I'm tourist.
Turk.
Tourist.
Tourist. Where are you from?
I'm from
From where?
actually from Turkey.
From Turkey?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Now, you are a Muslim?
Yes, I'm Muslim.
Yeah. You know, in Israel today, with the Gaza issue, people are accusing Israel and saying that Israel are killing civilians, many civilians. You've heard that, yeah?
Yes.
According to Islam, do you appreciate there is no such thing called a Muslim civilian? Did you know this?
Anlamadım ne diyor?
You understand the word civilian?
Yes, civilian, yes.
Yeah, someone who doesn't fight.
Yes.
Now, maybe this gentleman could help also because he has Palestine there. The accusation is that in Gaza, civilians are being killed. You have heard the accusation? Now, according to Islam, there is no such thing called a civilian. There's no such thing. If you are a man, a male, you're supposed to fight. Jihad. Jihad is for every male. And that's a... Come again? Sorry?
The women and the children.
We'll go to women and children later. But do we appreciate all men, all Muslim men are fighters? Do we appreciate this?
Yeah, mostly. Those are not.
No,
disabled.
not mostly.
Those who are not disabled and are able to fight above able age.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So you see what I'm saying? According to the Quran, there are multiple places where we get the same testimony. If you're a Muslim man who is not sick, who is able to fight, you have to fight. So there is no such thing called a Muslim man who is a civilian. But you listen to the reports in the news these days, where they say, hey, look, civilians are being killed. That's a huge lie, isn't it?
But there are children and women. And
Let's get to the women and children later.
That are disabled and injured.
Let's get to the women and children later. But can we at least agree? We'll get to the women and children later. Can we please at least agree when a Muslim man is in Gaza, he is a fighter according to Islam.
According to Islam, yes. But
Yes.
according to the world that we live in right
Forget
now.
about the world. No. Gazans are Muslims, aren't they?
Mostly, yes.
They don't care about what the world thinks. They care about what Allah thinks, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so forget about what the world thinks
yeah, of course.
and what the world says. Men, even if they are tiny like this, they are supposed to fight. And so, in the media, when we hear Muslim men being called civilians, why don't Muslims stand up and say, don't tarnish us. We are fighters. We are supposed to wage jihad, and that is what we would do.
We give
That's he's preaching
knowledge
Christianity, basically.
because you don't know to say
It's in
one
the Bible.
plus one go to two. If
It's
you
in-
know
it's in the
Muslims,
Bible about
you
it.
don't have nothing in the resource.
Speaking about something very intelligent, sir. Don't just come here and shout something and then move away. I'm speaking about something very intelligent. My dear friends.
Seems jokes from your mouth when you say intelligent.
What's that?
You heard me properly.
We are talking about a very intelligent subject here. And my dear young friend, at least he is being honest.
You're stupid.
Well, that's what you think.
No, it's true.
According to Islam, all men are supposed to fight. For example, this gentleman with his nice sunglasses, when he stands here and wears a Palestine, a thing on his apparel, Islamic Allah, do you know what Islamic Allah thinks about him?
He's a suicide bomber.
Islamic Allah thinks
Yeah.
he is a hypocrite.
He's Bin Laden.
No, don't touch.
him.
Please don't come near me. Thank you.
Keep touching him.
Islamic Allah thinks that he is a hypocrite. What's the Arabic word for hypocrisy? Hypocrite. What's the Arabic word? What is the Arabic word? He is a hypocrite. If Muhammad's army was here today, he will be killed. But he shamelessly stands here and is fighting for Palestine. What an Islamic joke. This is how confused Muslims are. Dear friends, what kind of God can't show up to fight on behalf of his people and would want people such as him and him? Clearly he'll be too afraid to go and fight. And that's why he is here in London enjoying the luxury that the nation gives. And he wears and goes on marches about Palestine. Can you imagine what is going on here?
Sunny, don't shout.
This gentleman would have 100 pounds, 200 pounds, wouldn't he? It's very easy to take a flight, get to Gaza and fight.
Sunny, don't
Poor
shout.
people, according to him, are dying.
Please, don't shout.
He could go there and fight on their behalves. He will not do that. Instead, he stands here.
What happened?
He stands here.
Don't
Excuse me, sir, where are you from? What is your name?
ask me questions, please.
Why, you can't think?
No, I can't.
Well, if you can't think, why are you even coming here? How long have you been a Muslim? What kind of brain damage are we dealing with here? You, sir, please come, help me understand. I don't speak to dogs. You don't speak to dogs? Islamic Allah, does he approve you as a Muslim, sir? Any Muslim man is supposed to fight. If you don't fight, you are, what is the term? Mushrikun. What is the term for hypocrite? Hypocrite in Arabic, what is that? You are one of them. If Muhammad's army was alive today, they will kill you right away because you are a hypocrite. This YouTube channel man, he is a hypocrite. Comes to Speaker's Corner.
Nobody watches your YouTube.
Comes to Speaker's Corner week in, week out to do what?
What are you doing here?
To record YouTube videos and put it up on YouTube. What does Islamic Allah think about him?
Yeah, what do you think?
Islamic Allah thinks that he is a waste of time and space.
Why are you here?
Islamic Allah wants you not to do YouTube videos, my dear friend.
What's your religion? What's
Islamic Allah wants you to go wage jihad, fight. Don't stand here and waste time.